Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge above 50% and confirm your backup to Samsung Cloud or Google Drive, because a factory reset erases everything. Once done, make sure you know the Samsung or Google account credentials. This prevents a lockout due to FRP. Now open Settings, tap General Management, then Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. You're starting the process immediately. This path is fastest and preserves your ability to restore data after the wipe. You'll see a summary of accounts and apps that will be removed. Read it because that's why you backed up. Next, tap Reset, enter your PIN or password when prompted, and choose Delete All to trigger the wipe. If the phone won't boot or settings is inaccessible, use Recovery Mode. Power off, then press and hold volume up and power until the Samsung logo appears. Release power, keep holding volume up, then choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset. That alternative completes the same core steps. After the reset, the phone reboots and you follow the initial setup prompts. Select language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in. You must sign in with the original Samsung or Google account used before the reset to clear factory reset protection, so have those credentials ready. If you can't sign in, don't panic. Try the exact account email and password and verify caps lock is off. If that fails, contact Samsung support for account recovery. That single troubleshooting step resolves most lockouts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.